In today's world, India and China may appear to be engaging on diplomatic fronts, coming together in trade talks or regional summits. But history has always warned us of one thing: you can't fully trust China. Border tensions, military buildups, and aggression maneuvers continues to define the relationship. And as India unveiled Operation Sindoor, a naval air strategy designed for potential two-front war against both China and Pakistan, the big question emerges: can India's S-400 missile system provide the air shield needed to defend against China? The S-400, developed by Russia, is considered one of the most advanced air defense systems in the world. It can destroy enemy aircraft, drones, cruise missiles, and even ballistic missiles up to 400 km away. It can track 80 targets simultaneously and engage 36 of them at once. It deploys type of missiles with range of 40 kilometers, 120 kilometers, 250 kilometers, up to 400 kilometers. Most importantly, it is capable of detecting stealth aircraft like China's J-20 and even the American F-35. In short, the S-400 acts as an air shield, creating a protective wall over Indian skies. India's decision to acquire 5 units of S-400 was driven by two main threats. First, China's military buildup, advanced stealth fighters, hypersonic missiles, and long range ballistic missiles. Second, two front challenge, the possibility of simultaneously conflict with both China and Pakistan. At the same time, India rolled out Operation Sindhu, a strategy aimed by choking enemy supply lines and targeting their naval and air assets. For Operation Sindhu to succeed, India need a secure sky, and that's exactly where the S-400 fit in. China's strength lies in its J-20 stealth fighters, DF-17 hypersonic missiles, and a huge stockpile of ballistic weapons. If China were to launch a large-scale strike, the S-400 would be India's first decisive line. It would attempt to neutralize enemy aircraft and missiles before even they cross into Indian airspace. For Operation Sindhu, the sky must remain clear for the Indian Navy to dominate at sea. The S-400 ensured exactly that by denying in China air superiority. But there are challenges. Hypersonic missiles remain difficult to intercept. A saturation strike with dozens of missiles launched simultaneously could overwhelm the S-400. That's why the system cannot act alone. Military expert agrees. The S-400 is a game changer, but it must work alongside India's other systems: indigenous Akash and Akash NG systems, MRSAM and Barak 8 for medium-range defense, DRDO's upcoming ballistic missile defense systems. When layered together, these form a multi-tier shield. In this network, S-400 stand as a backbone, while Operation Sindhu leverages this shield to go on an offensive at sea. So, can the S-400 defend India against China under Operation Sindhu? The answer is yes. It gives India an unmatched decisive edge and force China to think twice before launching an attack. But the real success lies in the integration. Operation Sindhu sends a powerful message. India is not just prepared to defend, but ready to disrupt enemy's plan. And the center of the defense stands the S-400.